A channel banner is where a person is gonna know what your channel is about, what they expect from your channel. So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Mimisho and we are still on Mimi's Pot. So today I want to show you guys how to create a channel banner or to make a channel banner. And so first of all, you want to know what's the importance of a channel banner. A channel banner is like the identification of your YouTube channel. This is what I'm talking about. I show you here my channel banner. That big picture that stands with your face, with your profile picture, with that image that stands or brings out what your channel is about. The next thing on it is the name of your channel. It shows the name of your channel. Then it shows what your channel is talking about, what your channel is about, what your channel is about. Is it a beauty channel, a lifestyle channel? What is your channel about? Then it shows the people on which days do you post. It can also go detailed and it shows the time that you post. How many times do you post a week? And then on the side, you can also go ahead and put all your social media accounts, your social media icons where people can find you. Those small icons that like YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, everything. You can also put it on that. So that's like the identity of your channel and we all need it. So keep watching till the end because at the end of this video. So what we're going to do is go to our desktop and click on our browser to open. So the search bar will pop up and we're going to go on and type in Canva. Click enter and this will take you to the next page where you're going to look for the Canva as a word itself and not canva.com, just Canva. This is going to take us to Canva homepage and all your design is where you find all your old projects, but right now we are looking for templates. So go ahead and click on templates to open. So when templates open, just like you can see, browse by category. We browse by category because Canva works for all social media platforms, just like you can see. So you want to scroll down and look for what you want to design at the moment. So right now we are looking for the YouTube channel art. So like we have scrolled, we are not finding it. So I want to show you the second way to look for it. So just go back up and you see this bar, just drag it to the right and try to see if the channel art is there. So it's not there, but don't worry, we're gonna find it. So go up in the search and type in YouTube channel art, just in case you don't find it below in the templates. So just like you can see, it already pops up. So we're just gonna go on and click on it. This is gonna take us right into the channel art templates. So YouTube gives us a lot of options. You can create your own channel art or you can use the already designed templates and just edit it into your own. So go through and look for a template that interests you. When you find one, just click on it and use it. So I think I like this template. It's what I'm going to click on. So when it opens, just click use this template and it will go directly to the Canva display. So this is how Canva editing display looks like, and what I'm doing right now is trying to change the template into what I want, because we said we use it or we edit it. So you can delete the elements that you don't want on it, or you can delete the words and type in your own words, or you can actually add in your own photos. So that's what we're going to be doing right now. So the other thing I like doing is after bringing the template here, I like first changing the background of the template color. So by clicking on animate, the color column is going to pop up. So go around and play around with colors until you find a color that you like, as it's a personal preference. And don't worry, if you choose a color and you don't like it after designing, you can still choose and change it. If not, you can also go to the left column and select background, and this will bring you to the custom designed backgrounds from Canva, which you can also use by just selecting on any custom design that is there, and it will just like change in your image. When you find one, you can take one if you're the kind of person who finds just plain colors boring. So what I want to do next is to first delete this word, because I think I'm going to leave it there first. So I'm going to go in the left and look for uploads, because I want to put a pic of me in this thumbnail. Sorry, in this channel art. I'm saying thumbnail because I normally use Canva a lot to design my thumbnails. So if you don't have uploaded photos already, you can click on the word in the blue button which says upload an image or video, but I already have a lot of photos in the app, so that's why I'm just selecting the images. So I chose a lot, and I'm going to be going in the upper right corner and click on the delete basket or the recycling bin. So what I like doing a lot is taking away the background from my image by clicking on effects and then select background remover. This works like a trimmer. It's going to cut me out of this background. So just like you can see, I'm now alone without any white in the background. So the rest is just up to you. Just try to play around with the things and see what looks nice for you. Adjust, reduce the sizes, or crop them or something like that. Like we know, adjusting is by just dragging the corners and these balls, just all, that's all. So that's the same thing I'm going to do with my pick. I'm going to highlight it and drag one of the balls on the corner and make myself big. And I'll do the same and make myself big. I'm going to delete that word by clicking the right and press delete element. So I'm trying to change myself, like turn myself up. Just like I said, you just want to do what pleases you. So try, it's your design. So on the left, we are looking for the word text, and I'm going to be selecting add a heading. But of course, Canva gives us also templates for headings. It makes everything easy for us. You can just go on and click on any heading and just edit it. Click, delete out the words and use the words. But I like making my own words. So I'm going to drag that by side and make it big so it's easy for me to delete. So I'll go on and type in my channel name. So what I'll do next is after dragging it to the place where I want it, of course I'm gonna go on and move everything, but I want to change the font of my word to the font I want. That's why I said I like making my own words. But if you're not the kind of person who wants like making the designs and everything, you just go on and use the templates that are provided for you. You don't need to design all that. So play around with the fonts until you find something that you like. So for me, I was looking for something really thick. So I went on and used Anton because it's really a thick font. And I dragged in the corner to just make the word big. And after that, I selected it, moved it to the right place, and went in the upper right corner on that thing that looks like a mirror reflecting itself with a plus, and clicked on it. You see what happened to the word? It duplicated itself into 2 words. So go on the A app and select it, and it will bring the color column again. I'm going to be changing one of the words into a different color because I want to make like an illusion 3D of the word. So that's what I'm talking about. The upper word, the first word or the front word is in a different brighter color, which makes it an illusion of a reflection behind. So I'm gonna go on and click on the add heading again and get a second text in my thing. But before that, I think I didn't like the color of the on the front of that word, so I kept changing it. I think after actually at the end, I also changed that color. So it's all about what you like, but just keep changing it to what you like. So what I also like doing is to adjust the brightness of the whole image and the contrast and the saturation. If you don't want to adjust the whole image, you can select yourself alone and adjust your color or the color of your skin alone. So we are typing in now what our channel is about, because that's also very important as you're making your channel art. And make sure that everything is centered, like put in the middle of that paper. So I'm looking for the element because I want it to have a background so it can pop out. So when you select element, it will be as big as that. But just like I said, drag by the corners to make everything small or big. So that's what we're also going to do with this element. So I'm going to move it down and change its color too by tapping on the color in the corner. After that, I'll move it behind the word. So I think it's too close to the upper word, and I have to first move that word a little bit to have some space. However much I'm trying to save space because of the way the channel art is already supposed to look like. Other words are supposed to be in the center, just like you can see where I'm putting them. So I've selected another text, and I'm going to be putting on the days that are people supposed to expect something from me, or when I'm supposed to post. That's the very important information that you're supposed to put on the channel art or the channel banner. But make sure that your words are not scattered, that everything is in the center. Like you can see, I have a reason why I'm putting everything in the center. I'm just going to change the font to make sure that the words are not too big, so because I don't have all that space. I need everything to be compacted in that middle part, because that's the only part that is going to be shown on my phone or on the laptop space, yeah, like we will see. So I'm going to go on and change the size. I want them to be still smaller by just clicking on the drop down menu where there is the numbers. So now I'm just adjusting those photos on the images on the side. Like I told you, it's your preference how you want it to look like. So what you can do is to change the color of that element, because the pink thing behind these makeup tools is also an element that was selected from the element on the left. So you can highlight it and actually also change its color if you don't like it. So that's what I'm actually going to do. I'm going to select it and change its color also. So I'm going to do it to the second small element that has my words. Also, I changed its color. And what I also did is I changed also the color of the background. Like you can see my background is selected. I went back and chose a custom background. Like I said, it's designing what you like. So you just go ahead and change at any level when you feel like the design is not convincing to you. Because after all, it's your channel and you want to give it an identity as you want it, depending on your favorite colors. So right now I'm looking for my YouTube logos. Like I said, when you need any logos or anything, it's good to upload them and have them in your uploads on your gallery so you can upload them easily. If not, you can go up in the search templates pro and you search for these things by just typing in YouTube logo or YouTube icons or Instagram icons. But I normally download everything and upload it from my phone. So I'm going to select a template so this word doesn't get lost in the red. It's a lot of red. So I got a frame and I'm going to drag it, also make it small on the size, to the size of the YouTube logo. I'm going to drag it by this arrow and turn it horizontal, and again make it small to be on the equal size. After that, I'm going to drag the YouTube logo and drop it behind that frame, just like that. And now my YouTube app logo has a frame of blue and a little bit black on the background, so it's not lost in the lots of red that I have used. So I'm going to go back to my uploads and look for my Instagram logo too. And I'll do exactly the same like what I just did to my YouTube logo. So I'll get an element from the elements. I'll get a frame, reduce it, turn it around horizontal, drag the Instagram behind it, and bottom. It also has a frame. So I'm going to be just placing it in the right places, like where it looks nice for me, and that's all. So after that, I want to change the name of this photo because that's the name I used on the previous photo I made or thumbnail. So I don't want to save it in the same name on my computer because I'll look for it and won't find it. So after changing the name or typing in the new name, I'll just go to the download on the right upper hand corner. And when that menu comes, make sure that that's in PNG, and look at the size. The size was one size big before I downloaded, but that's it, guys, and we download our channel art. So your design is being prepared and it's gonna be on your computer any minute or on your phone if you're using your phone. So thank you guys a lot for watching. That is it all for today, and I'm very grateful that you are still watching. So hit the button so you can become part of the family, and of course hit the bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it or find it interesting. That's the only way I can know that you guys liked what I did. So what do you guys think about the tutorials? Do you guys like some tutorials like that? What do you think about them? Let me know what you think about in the comment section below. If there is something disturbing you about social media, it doesn't have to be about YouTube only, as long as it's social media in general. Just you can leave a question below in the comment section below, and I'll be grateful to answer it. So we'll see you in my next video. With all that said, we'll see you in my next video, and peace. I sign out.